Hi, this is Growing Your Business with Jeffrey Scott. Are you a high profit leader? Do you know what it takes to lead a high profit organization? What's the difference between a high profit leader and an average leader? 5 things. Number 1, the high profit leader makes tough decisions. They hate sitting in indecision. They focus on making the bigger decisions and not get lost in the little decisions. They move forward, they stay away from indecision. Do you? Number 2, they aim high. They know that they have to aim high in order to hit high, that marketing and sales has to start high if production is going to finish up high. Number 3, they realize clear team results are critical, not just the aggregate company. How did we do? How are we doing? How do we do at the end of the year? But by division, by crew, by week. Clarity in the pieces creates clarity and high profit in the whole. Number 4, shared leadership. Also a chapter in my book, Destination Company. Shared leadership. They empower not just their top leaders, but middle management, crew level. Everyone is empowered to share in the leadership of the company. And number 5, also a chapter in my book, ownership thinking. High profit leaders know I have to treat my employees like owners if I want them to behave like owners. I don't just sit there and wait, twiddle my thumbs and wait and hope for them to become owners. You have to treat them as if. You have to gamify the business so that everyone knows what it means to win in a given day, win in a week, win in a year. Imagine if you were a baseball coach and you only told your employees if they won at the end of the game. Huh? How many games would you win? What about at the end of the week or even the end of the season? What if you only told them at the end of the season if they won the World Series or not? You would never win the World Series. And I know that you want to. And high profit leaders gamify their business, create this ownership thinking so that everyone is pulling in the same direction and trying to win the game. I wish you luck. Take these 5 attributes, see where you're weak, see where you're strong, enjoy the strengths, improve the weaknesses, and you will enjoy a more high profit year. Good luck.